Today we have the 2020 Tesla Model X. This vehicle has done just under 75,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, charging, autopilot, schedule, safety, service and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. The Model X comes with a parking camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control with all of our seats being heated steering wheel and our heated windscreen. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has 7 seats in total, all of which are cream leather.